Is up, guys? Crazy morning. The carbon monoxide detector tripped and all of the fire department was out. Had to get that figured out, but today we're at Cigars and Coffee in Oak Brook. It's kind of windy out, so again, sorry for the audio, but I'm here with my boy Mingu. We were trying to install this dash cam all last night and we finally got it figured out. Installing a dash cam on the Supra fucking sucks. There was just a lot of BMW hoses and gaskets that we're trying to figure out, but we got it to work. Now we're at Cigars and Coffee in Oak Brook. Apparently it's like some Michael Jordon fundraiser event, so let's check it out.
If there's something you best know about me, hold on, fuck with my baggies. You just can't stand between the young and hit muffin like that. I swear, boy, if you in my way, I smack you like I'm your pepe. Unless I gotta escape because them boys in blue on my back. Kinda can't be my friend in that early morning. Get my ego, then let's begin getting butter with the kid. And anyway, on Saturday, I get it in how I did. And you know what I said, fuck the 6, I won't work with the mid. Me and my buddy got the nuggets and we serve them for 10. Chip it off and I bake it up, then I'ma start it again. I'ma get it up on my filler, then we bring in the lid. Motherfucker be placing them Glocky, but they calling the feds. So I don't fuck with none your rapper, I don't know none your folk. I have it, I hate smoking Sherman, yeah, that don't make me choke. We off the way in the party, got your papa.
Dang, we just found the supercars. R8. Oh, V10 R8. Nice. I can't tell if this is a Huracan or a Aventador. Huracan. Huracan. Ooh, look at that Ferrari. Nice. That Huracan with the Lambo plates. We also found this Hummer EV over here. I think these guys can do like the crab walk where it's like you can move in an angle basically. But the interior is so freaking cool. Dang, look at that interior. All screens basically. Kind of has this thing where you could take off the roof like in the Jeeps. Pretty sick. This guy has 911 Targa GS just pulled up. Targa 4S pulled up. 911 Targa 4S. I thought it was GS, bro. Give me some slack. Alright. Alright. This looks like a G.
There's no such thing as GS.
I know, when I said GS in my head, it did kind of sound weird, but Targa, 911 Targa 4S. God damn it. Anyway, I don't know what year this is, but it looks like it's a pretty new one. I also really do like the whole Targa top aesthetic that this car has going on. Hi, doggy. Hopefully one day they'll make the Mark V Supra in a Targa. Maybe we'll see. Doggy's on a mission. But yeah, nice. Look at this Aston Martin Vantage. So nice. I just realized this Aston Martin has the Chicago Police Memorial plates. Nice. This guy trying to get into the VIP section, and apparently they kicked him out. Only supercars allowed in the VIP section. First time getting inside an R8. Whoa.
It's a 15. So this is so this is the last year before they made the new
Wow.
stuff.
This is crazy.
So you built in 2016.
Dual clutch transmission. The way you can tell the manual apparently is this is gated. Of course, dual clutch, paddle shifters. Nice. Screen. Honestly, pretty decent amount of space.
It's actually great. Yeah, it's blue because of the light.
Wow.
take your sunglasses
This is
off,
nice.
you might be able to see that it's more of a gray. But
Maybe R8 after the Supra? GT Racing Black Series. Check that out. Nice. Look at those 4 exhausts. Freaking massive. Huge ass wing. It's pretty sick. I always loved the shape of the GT. It just looks so symmetrical and also reminds me a lot of like the Dodge Vipers. Pretty nice. e-tron GT got the luxury spot with the HRE wheels. Corvette. Let me see it up. It's got a reverse out. There's no way to get on the other side. McLaren. And a McLaren with the wrap. Let's check this sick guy out. 600 LT. This interior looks crazy, as always. Carbon fiber seats. Wow. Even this gray. It's like bluish gray type of thing. Nice. And then you have this one over here, which is a little bit more of a wrap. Green looking color. And then yeah, let's hear the e-tron GT RS 2.0. Nice. Nice. Another AMG GT. We're actually at the top level of the meet in this like parking garage structure. Right below is like Michael Jordon Steakhouse area. But there's a lot of other cars here. AMG GT, Skyline. Another AMG GT with a wrap. Looks nice. Marco Supra. Pulling up. Very nice. Porsche 911 GT3 non-RS. The neon. But most importantly, with, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a manual. Had to fill up gas real quick. Damn, gas prices are expensive. $5.37 for 93. Before it was showing like 6, but oh my god, freaking expensive. Bruh, what the heck? All these freaking geese crossing. Gang. Nice. Guys, we just got off the plane from NOLA and Mingo and I are at this place called Strats. It's like a car hangout place. Essentially, I heard though that this parking lot is just filled with cars. I had a couple cars leave, like that was kind of in the back area, but we're kind of posted up here with our freaking coffee and water, and we're gonna see if we can do some spotting. Really, there's just been kind of a lot of ricers. Power of the B58. One more rev. There we go. The burnouts.